Hello guys, my name is Jatinder Singh and welcome to Office Skills. So guys, in this video we will add the third type of data in our table. Right now we have two types of data present in our table. The first is the text data over here and the second is the numeric data over here. So what I want to do is I want to add the name of the year in front of the name of the months over here. So right now we have the abbreviations like Jan, Feb and March. I want to make them into Jan 2020, Feb 2020 and March 2020. So I'll double click on this B3 cell over here and I will add a hyphen sign and I'll type in the year 2020. Guys, please take a closer look over here in this B3 cell. I will press the enter key and you saw that something changed in the B3 cell. I'll do the same thing in the Feb month over here. I'll add in the year and please take a closer look in the C3 cell now. You saw something changed, right? So there are two things changing right now. The first thing that changed is the alignment in these two cells. So earlier these were left aligned and now they are right aligned. Why is that happening? Because in Excel, and not just Excel but most of the software, date is considered as a number. So when we type in Jan 2020, it takes that date as a number and it changes the alignment automatically. So we'll do the same thing in this month March. And guys, the second thing which is changing is that I am typing Jan 2020 but it is just showing Jan 20. So that makes it a bit confusing, right? So it is showing Jan 20 but we can't understand that whether it is the date or whether it is the year. So it can be 20th January or it can be the year January, the year 2020 and the first month January. So we want to make them into Jan 2020 so it is very clear and there is no confusion. So how we can do is we will select these three cells and we will go to our home tab over here which is open, and now we will go to our number section. And as you can see, this is the custom option right in front of us. I'll click over here and we have many options present in front of us like short date, long date, time, etc. We'll go in the end and I'll click on this more number formats. So right now in this category over here we have this date category, and what we want to do is we want these abbreviations as Jan 2020. So we'll check in these examples whether we have that or not. So guys, we don't have Jan 2020 here. So what we will do is we will go in the custom section and make our own abbreviation. So I'll delete this and I'll add in MMM, which is showing the abbreviation of the month. I'll add in the hyphen sign and I'll add in the year format, which is YYYY. Guys, now as you can see in this sample section over here, it is showing Jan 2020 and that's what we want, right? So I'll click on this OK button over here, and now as we can see the cell's name has changed and it is now showing Jan 2020. So now there is no confusion. It is showing the year 2020 and the month is January, right? So this is it for this video guys. I hope you liked it. So please like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.